Though Ternate is tiny, it's little more than a volcano with settlements near the shoreline. This former spice island is the main transport hub for the North Moluccas. It offers an introduction to the fantastic wildlife in this cluster of islands lying to the west of New Guinea. But for the best wildlife watching, you should head elsewhere, to islands such as Bacan to the south. It's little known, little visited, but there's a fascinating main town and a thriving business in local gemstones. There's small mangroves, rich marine life like this banded sea snake. Jungles clothe the hillsides, and this was a major collecting area for the great naturalist Alfred Russel Wallace. Many species are unique to the Moluccas. And it was on this island, Bacan, that Wallace discovered his greatest prize, the Standardwing bird of paradise. You can find jewel-like damselflies and creepy crawlies and enjoy tranquility here. To birdwatchers, Halmahera, the largest island in the Moluccas, has become something like an El Dorado, a place to come in search of a wealth of bird life, including species found nowhere else on Earth. River trekking is great for adventure, but it's tough to find birds this way, even within the outstanding national park, with a name designed as a tongue twister. You can see far more just lingering by Pacroge's place at Binagara on the northern fringe of the park. Rainbow bee-eaters visit during the Australian winter. They're resident species too, and if you leave before dawn for a 2-hour trek through the jungle, you can get to a Standardwing lek. Here, perhaps 8, 10 or more males of this bird of paradise gather in a small area of trees. They sing with loud, raucous voices, fly up from perches, flutter down parachuting on pale wings, back to their perches where they perform acrobatics, swing and swivel the 2 long white feathers unique to this species and which gave rise to the name. Nearer Pacroge's, if you're very lucky, you might see Ivory-breasted Pitta, which Wallace rated one of the most beautiful birds of the East.